Before we start our and go directly talking about our coaching, how you can design your coaching program, let's dive into and see some of our success stories, client results to know who I am, like who the heck I am to talk about even creating your coaching program or your course. I have had the last 3 years, I have had the honor to work with so many amazing women, so many clients. For example, you see, I have worked with Isel, who was a life coach, and she was working with a midlife woman. Before starting her coaching business with us, she had no clear offer, but just after 2 months working with me, she signed up two high ticket clients in only 1 month. And you can see that her testimonials as well. More testimonials, video trainings, video interviews are in my website. You can go and check it out if you want to know more about. The second one is Elizabeth, one of our previous clients. When she was, before starting with me, she was a parent coach, but she didn't know what she put her offer and how to create her coaching program. But after working with me, she started getting clients and she's getting now booking calls consistently. Nina, one of our youngest clients, she is a trauma coach, and after working with us, she in 3 months she got her 10,000 a month with high ticket coaching that we built for her. You can also see the testimonials. The same for Susan. We helped her to get her first coaching client in her coaching business. And at the same as Janet, we helped her to build her coaching business and also create a very profitable offer. And Liz is also a life and career coach. We helped her to launch her offer and book consistently calls with her client. So this is like a kind of like a summary of who we have helped so far. You can go and watch more our success stories in our website. And these are all the testimonials that you see that I have been helping them, not only with imposter syndrome, changing their mindset, getting confidence, but also building their coaching offer. Now, before starting, let's talk about me and my story because you want to know more about this person behind and who is this person that is talking to. My name is Mariam Akbari. I came from a immigration or immigrant background. 10 years ago, I came to Sweden. I put all my focus to adapt to the country. I was just new, learn to the language, and then I was working as a freelance journalist in Swedish media. After that, I started my master degree in communication and marketing, following with leadership and coaching, which led to working as a career coach for a few couple of years for the Swedish government. But then there was a time that I left my job to start my own, and now you see I have built an amazing community for women entrepreneurs. However, what is my real story? Like the first story you saw, everyone, I present first time myself. But when you go to deeper into my story, who is this person? Where this person come from? I have raised in a very conservative family who raised in war, and when I came to Sweden, I struggled many years with PTSD or post trauma. I didn't have any confidence or self esteem, and I was struggling for many years with that to be a people pleaser. And more importantly, I wasn't happy and I was feeling inside empty and depressed. That's why I took the leap of faith and I started my own journey. And when I was able to share my story, that's when everything changed in my life. And I could impact so many more women's life who just had the same life or the same story as mine. So what it shows that If I can do that, if I was so much low and I can do that, there is nothing to stop you for doing that. So now, if you're just ready, let me know because I wanna go and talk to you all more. Are you ready? Just write for me in the comments. Are you ready um to go ahead? Are you watching this? Okay, great. If anyone, you can come inside the Zoom. Uh, cool. Okay. So let's talk about how you can package or design your coaching offer. First of all, I want to tell you that there is a misconception about creating a coaching program, a coaching offer. The first misconception is that you think the more things you give, the higher the value of your coaching package, your packaging or your coaching offer will be, and the higher your price will be. But that's a misconception you have. That's not true because most of your clients doesn't come just for following the materials, the resources. They are coming to get the results. So there is a misconception. It doesn't mean that you need to put a lot of lessons or video training just you because you think that value because you can higher the price. The second misconception is that you think you need to create an offer stack or low ticket board. It means that you start with $20, $30, and then if they buy from you, then you offer another one and middle price and then high price. For a high ticket coaching, you don't need to do that because when you do one-on-one coaching or very small group, if you really give value and the result in your coaching session, in your coaching program, then you don't need to have create a different offers. You just go with one offer, good offer, you give value, and most important, a result in your coaching package, and that's why you attract your clients into your program. And the third one is that you think that if my package is all, the whole package of my offer is about outline. No, the outline or the curriculum of your program is just a small part of your package. So there is more into that. So the package and the outline is different. The outline is just a small part of your packaging, your whole coaching program. Now let's talk about offer structure breakdown. What do I mean by that? There are three different one structure how you structure your offer. First one is the coaching. How is the business model? How is the coaching structure? It can be one-on-one, you decided, or it can be small group coaching, weekly a small group coaching, depending on who you are targeting and who do you wanna help with, or on-demand coaching. The second one is the curriculum, which we mean the program outline. The second one is the program outline. And the third one is the community. You are going to have maybe a Facebook group or another community to bring them on. Or maybe a chat group so they interact, they feel that they are part of that community and they can connect with you, ask their questions, and share their ideas or if they have any question. And on top of that, in your offer structure, you are going to put some kind of bonuses, a kind of private one-on-one maybe, or done for you system. These are the things that you are definitely need to consider when you are creating the structure for your offer. Now let's go talk about the pricing. Who wants to know more about the pricing? Hi, Lisbeth. Great to have you here. Okay, now let's go talk about the pricing. There are three types of pricing in your coaching structure, depending on where you are, what stage of your coaching business you are. The first stage is called the beta. So there is three tiers of pricing. And the first one is the beta pricing. Beta means you just started your coaching business and you want to get some, you want to do some tests, you want to get some testimonials, some success stories to be able to share it and market yourself through those clients. Or you want to work with a bigger group of your clients, and then you just do maybe group coaching. So the beta price starts from $500 to 1,000. $100 to 1,000. This is actually recommended when you do bigger group of maybe 5 to 10 group of one-on-one or group coaching. That's when we call it beta. The second tier is high ticket. High ticket starts from 2,000 to $10,000. And this is usually recommended also for group coaching or on-demand coaching. And the third one, the third tiers is elite. We call it elite or probably like um, high premium clients that start with 10,000 to $100,000. And usually it's recommended if you want to have very like one-on-one in a high level with your client or in a very small group where it is mastermind. It's just people with very millionaires probably or high valued premium clients. They want to just connect with each other. So there are three tiers of pricing for your coaching program. Now we talk about designing your program. What do we mean by designing your program? As we said that there are some misconception about how you create or how you design your coaching program or your courses. And one misconception is you think that the longer the program and the more content I add inside my coaching program, the more valuable it will be. That's a big misconception. And as I told you, it's not about the quantity, it's about the quality. So if you give real good value, high quality materials, even if it is short, even if it is not so many trainings, but it helps your client to get the result, that is valuable. That is high value, and that with that you can put more price. So your clients that don't come for just process and just following the materials, video training, but more on the result they are going to get. Okay, cool. Now let's talk about why outlining uh, before even creation, before creating your coaching program is important. Everyone thinks that I need to create from one, module two, module three, module four, or until six from beginning until end with all video materials. They think that I should create that in the beginning, but that's wrong. I did that, for 6 months. I spent time to create a course with all perfect video materials. And then at the end, I realized that my offer sucks. My video training coaching program doesn't have any demand in the market. So that's why you don't need to create a whole coaching program, but the outline. Why? Because you're going to have one-on-one, you're testing it out, you create an outline, and then you will see the whole picture from your packaging. How does it work? And then you can change it. You can change it step by step. So why outlining is important? But outlining gives you to create step-by-step blueprint so you can look at the whole thing from the bird eye view and make sure it works and makes sense first. Okay, so outlining help you to like see the whole picture. You see that okay, step one where you go, step two where you go, step three where you go. And sometimes based on the client's feedback you get, based on the coaching journey you go, you might switch steps or lessons. That's why we don't recommend to create the whole coaching program, but just the outline. And as confident you get, more clients you have in the process, then you are going to create coaching program. So what I say to my clients, I tell them just create the outline, and when you get your first client, second client, go with them, do the coaching part, module one, module two, step lessons, and then record that. And when you record that, those become part of your lessons. So you don't need to create in the beginning. What you don't need to do, just get clients, focus on getting clients, signing up clients, and then when you are having coaching session, you record them and then make your whole coaching sessions. Okay. And what are the elements of a great coaching program? The elements of coaching program is that it should be very clear and specific about what you teach. One, what are the elements of a great coaching program? One, it should be specific and very clear about what to teach, what you teach to. The second one is clear and specific on how you do it. What is your method for teaching that? And why? Specific and clearly. You should say why to do it that way, why you do that method in your coaching outline, in your coaching sessions. And also how to think about every part. You also in outline, you teach them, it should be very specific when you say how they should think about every part of the lessons, every part of their outline. That is the way you make it very clear, and it will become a great coaching program. So now, let me just give you an example, show you an example. What do I mean by that? Because it's very important. So this is the steps. This is usually what I do. Can let me share it with you. Okay. This is for creating my coaching outline for program outline. This is usually what I do. I have, these are the steps. For example, your current situation and you have a desired situation. Um, your clients is here, and they want to reach to desired situation. What you do, you just create an outline. You say, okay, what is the biggest step or the first step they need to take for them to go to desired situation? Probably it's more of um, clarity, getting clarity on their goals, on their values, where they want to go, like what are their goals, maybe an action plan, like the first step. What is the first step for you, for your client in your program? So you make a big step, and then there will be three sub lessons, for example, some small steps. You create that for your clients to go to the next step. So these small steps help them to go to the next big step. And the same for that. For example, the next one, okay, the big step. What will be the biggest step for them to go to the next step? And then you will divide it into small steps. And every step is a milestone. Every step is a celebration. They need to do that. And you help them do that. I will give you an example of my coaching outline so that you get a clear idea of how they need to create. And then the same, you do that. Create not more than six big steps, because if you do it not more than 6 to 8 big steps, because if you do it more, what happens is that they start getting overwhelmed, and they see the route to the destination very complicated, very long destination. So make it 6 to 8 big step, and then every lesson, when it is lesson or small step, should be three behind that. And when you reach to the second last big steps, you make sure that they get the results. So what you need to put in your outline to make sure that if they go to those lessons, if they take action on those lessons, they probably with high possibility they get the result they want to. So let me show you my examples. For example, I have this coaching outline and I have built it. The big steps I have put it in each week, like two weeks I have given, like based on the time, period of time. So week one and week two, what are the lessons they are going to get? So first of all, identifying the problem, what is clarity on current situation, clarifying your future situation. These are all just clarity, clarity, clarity. That it can be just in 1 week, you don't need in 2 weeks. The third week, 3 and 4, is all about getting clear about values, learning about values, prioritization, get clear on your goals. And then week 5 and 6 is clarity on your finances, your budgeting. And then week 7 and 8, maybe the limiting beliefs, mindfulness, identifying the toxic narratives. What happens until week 11 and 12? This is actually not my coaching outline. It's something that I created for the one of my clients just to test it out before. And it's not the last one, just the first one. You just brainstorm and put the ideas here. And week 11 and 12 is all getting ready for your next love, reconnect with your children and family, and then changing your whole habit and self accountability. So, and also how to get long lasting change. However, in each of these, you put their lessons and the coaching you do with them along in your session, help them to go to the next step. Sometimes maybe you need to change it, based on your client's feedback. You change it and maybe you change the steps. Maybe it became the in week one, maybe it became later. So this all comes, but the outline is the most important thing, and the outline is something that shows help them to really see what they are going, where they are going. Okay, cool. um Exactly, yeah, Lilibet, exactly. You don't need to create the whole coaching program because that will be a mistake, especially when you're just starting or you just have a new offer, because you want to make sure that you are doing the right structure, and also doing the right. So I recommend, as I told you before, what I recommend is that get focus on getting the clients after you have the offer. Focus on getting clients, and then once you get clients, maybe 1 to 5 clients, do the whole outline. um, Apply those outline, those lessons with your clients. And the more you go, for example, maybe record, when you record with them, that will be your lessons. Those recording can be your trainings, that create your program. Then you have the materials as well, the materials with the clients, and you build the whole 12 weeks coaching program. So focus on the coaching outline first. And how to get the clients, that's another strategy on how to generate leads. Yeah. So as I told you, the next step comes to generating leads. And this one, we are going to focus on the upcoming weeks, where we teach you what will be the strategy specifically, on how to do that, like how to generate leads, how to talk to them, how to get clients, because it's very important how to communicate with them. If you don't know how to communicate with them, how to take them, then you're not going to get any clients. So this is all about the coaching program. Now, if you have any question, you can ask me, you can write in the comments, and I'm going to answer you. But one thing I want to tell you is that everyone is very excited in the beginning. They want to build something, they have ideas, but maybe just 1% of them really go and take action. Why? Because it's a lot of imposter syndrome, maybe fears, not having confidence comes on your way, or even simply you don't know how to do it step by step. So that's why you get stuck and overwhelmed. When you don't know that, then you stop. Either you stop and the motivation will go away. So the fastest way is that to have someone to help you do that. Of course, you can go through all these matters, you can do that, but there is no, you don't know how it works. Like I tell you from my experience, where for the whole 6 to 9 months, I was just stuck trying to figure it out on my own. When you do it with a mentor, with a coach, you know that you are following proven strategies, and you know that it works based on your offer, based on the industry you are, and based on the coaching you are doing. So these are all the resources that matters. It might help you to have some ideas, but it doesn't get you to really take action and build your coaching offer. Like the outline, how to do the outline, that's a hell of a process, strategies to go through and to make sure that these are the structure of your coaching program based on the industry you are, and it will work for you. So what I say is that, what do you think if like, I talk about offer, I talk about coaching outline. What if I can help you solve that to accelerate your success, not get into all the being a stack overwhelmed, dealing with imposter syndrome, and just go ahead and take action every step and show you exactly how to build and grow it step by step with the proven blueprint. Would that work for you? Do you think is that something that changed everything for you? So if it's that, then don't wait. Let's book the call, and in the call we can talk and we can show you how I can help you. Can have a one-on-one or group coaching. Join our community. So there is only way to do it right. And trust me, because I have done it, I have tried it, all of them. So the first way is do it yourself. There is no guarantee. There is no way if you are going to get the result. When you do it yourself, you are going to get a lot with up and downs, especially um, it comes a lot with the mindset. You're going to get a stack, overwhelmed, sometimes questioning yourself. You do it yourself until you realize that you need someone to do it with you or help you who has done it already, help you to build and grow your business, or even the change in your mindset. You need help for that. And another one is done for you. What I have done in my coaching program is that I do it with you. Plus, we have an offer that we do their Instagram and Facebook optimization done for you. So my goal for you is that to not only overcome imposter syndrome, change your mindset, get confidence. But also we create your offer, viral story framework that we have to build all your stories, how to create content and how to generate leads, how to communicate, how to convert your clients. These are all the things that we are going to teach you. And if that's something, then just book your call. I'm going to put the our calendar link in the Facebook. Just book your call and then let's talk, because I'm not going to talk about our special offer even if we have a special offer, but we are not going to talk about it. I want that nothing, I don't want anything to hold you back from your greatness. So if that is something for you, let me know, and then we move forward and we talk more. Okay, so if you have any question, I don't think um okay, great. Thank you, Lilibet. and everyone. Okay, if you have any question, just write for me in the live training and I will reach out and answer you. And don't forget to book your